Hello there. Present perfect has different forms and usages. The first one is, for example, I, we, you, and they take, have, and third person singulars, he, she, it, take, has, and followed by the past participle form of the given verb. This is the form of present perfect. Past participle form is common for plural and singular subjects. In the positive statement or in the affirmative sentence, we can use I have studied, he, she, it has played, I, we, you, they played, brought, visited, submitted, lived. Yes, we can use subject, present time, has or have, then past participle form of the given verb. Every verb has three forms in the present participle, base form, and past tense, past form. Verbs can be used into different ways. Regular verbs can be changed into past tense and past participle forms by adding d or ed. So those regular verbs can take d or ed, and verbs that do not take d or ed are called irregular verbs. One of these verbs, for example, irregular verbs, their past tense and past participle form can be changed once, or it can be changed twice. For example, keep, kept, kept. So the base form has changed once. Keep, kept. Make, met. So this kind of verbs can be changed once, and some words, some irregular verbs, can be changed twice. For example, go, went, gone. Fly, flew, flown. Take, took, taken. Buy, bought, bought. This word has changed once. So there are some verbs which are irregular in these forms. These verbs cannot be changed into any other forms, irregular verbs. For example, cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Hit, hit, hit. So this kind of verbs do not change into any other forms. So in the present perfect, we use a subject, present time, has or have, depend on the subject. Then we use the past participle form of the given verb. When you come to the sentence, you can use statement. I have finished my assignment. She has visited London. We can also change the statement into negative. She has not visited. He has been to London. He has not been to London. He has never been to London. This is how the statement can be changed into negative forms. Has she completed her project? Have they visited Japan? Have you ever been to Brazil? Have you ever been to Tokyo? So this is how you can form a question in the present perfect. Present perfect can be described by using three different usages. The first one is action started in the past and continuing up to the present time. If the action is uninterrupted, then we use present perfect tense. For example, by using time adverbs like since and for, we can indicate that the action is still going action. The action is still going. We have lived here for 5 years. We have lived here since 2021. These examples show that the action is still continuing. So this is the first usage of present continuous. When the action is continuous up to the present time, we use since and for to indicate, to connect with the present time. The second one is to show experience. If you want to describe your experience as a visitor, you can, or as if you want to describe your experience as a visitor, you can use you can ask and answer questions related to that particular place. As a tourist or as a visitor, you can tell your experience by using present perfect tense. For example, have you ever been to Australia? Have you ever seen kangaroo? See, this is how we can use the present perfect to ask someone's experience. Have you tasted Ethiopian cultural food? Have you tasted Ethiopian coffee? This is experience. This is experience. So if you want to describe, or if you want to tell about our experience, so we can use present perfect. So it can be our experience which we held it until the present time. It is not something finished at a particular time. Still we describe, still we held the experience, still we feel the experience. So the present perfect indicates experience. And the other one is present perfect shows change over time. When you say change in terms of physical change, emotional change, or related to physical change, for example, physical change, if someone has changed physically, we can say your son has grown fast, the city has grown fast. We can also say his attitude has changed, my English has improved. You see, this is how we can describe change over time. And the other usage of present perfect is to indicate recently completed actions by using adverbs like just, already, recently, before, this morning, and the like. By using these adverbs, we can indicate that the action has completed just a while ago. So we feel the experience, we feel the results in the present time. For example, I have opened the window. Look, I have opened the window means the window is now open. As a result, you can feel fresh air is coming in and out. So you feel the effect in the present time. You feel the result in the present time. The result of opening the window, you feel something. You feel the fresh air coming in and out. If I say, I have cleaned the whiteboard. If I say I have cleaned the whiteboard, I'm sure the whiteboard, as a result, I can write on the whiteboard because it's recently completed action. So I am confident that there is nothing on the whiteboard, or I am confident that there is no need to clean it again. The whiteboard is clean. But when I say I cleaned the whiteboard, in this case, I am not sure if the whiteboard at the present time clean, if the whiteboard is clean at the present time. So when we use present perfect, the action has completed recently, and the effect is in the present. So this is how we can use present perfect. To wrap it up, present perfect can be used to describe actions started in the past and continuing up to the present time. And the second one, to describe experience as a visitor, as a tourist, experience of being a traveler, or experience to see new places, experience to taste food, experience to meet people, etc. So experience are best described by present perfect. It can be used by adverbs like ever and never. Have you ever been? Or I have never been. Ever and never. Physical change or gradual change, we can also use present perfect to describe change over time. And finally, we can use present perfect to indicate recently completed actions. With that, I conclude today's lesson. If this helped you, please like and share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see my future videos, please subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching. See you next time.